welcome back to my channel, and as you've guessed it, with my hair up like that, it only means one thing. We're going to do some testing out on the Dior foundation. Now I got this sample sent to me because I caught it on Facebook, this advertisement, and what it is it's It's the Glamour Beauty Club, and what you do is you get sent some samples, but there it is there. So you can go and check that out. I got it on Facebook, so it's chance to be still on Facebook now. So this is the Dior foundation, and what they have done, they've sent me like a sample chart. And so this is here, right here. Only a very small sample, but it's, there we go. Right, okay, so this, my shade is 022. So on here they have sent me, see there, but I think that might be a little bit too dark, I'm not sure, but that's that. And also I've got my cup of coffee with me. Now this is what I do like. I like these emoji cups. I got this in Home Bargains, and it's just yum. It says yum, and it makes me feel so happy. I just love it. So yeah, so coffee to hand, because I always need my coffee in the morning. And now I'm just going to prime my face. Oh, primer I'm using is the Luminous Picture Perfect primer that we got in one of our beauty boxes. I'm not sure which one it was though. So right, so I'm just going to I should probably fast forward, you know, like fast forward this because it's too long. You want to see what the foundation does. So priming my face. My face always goes red. Always goes red. Right, so that's it. Face primer is done, and now I'm just going to, oh, I also got this out of Home Bargains. It is super cute, but I've already got a stain on it. See that? I love it. I love it. Oh, my brows have decided to come off. Maybe it's because that's something to do with the primer. Maybes. Right, okay, so now I am, what was I doing? Looking for my concealer, because I've got packs. So, yes, no, we're doing a test. I'm not doing my concealer. Right, we're doing a foundation test, aren't we? So, no. No, right, we're going to get on with this. And I see how little that is. It's really tiny, but that will do. It's good enough. And this is, you get 12 months with this, once it's opened, I suppose. And it's the Christian Dior, and it's shade 22. It's Dior Skin Forever, and it is undercover foundation. So there we go. Oh, it's 24-hour full coverage, fresh, weightless foundation. Right, okay, so we'll see how this gets on. I will also do check-ins through the day, and let's just see how this foundation wears. So, there it is. It looks a tad bit dark. I'm hoping that goes on. Okay, for me. Oh, wow, it feels really nice, and that is looking quite nice. I'm just actually going to check it in the mirror. Right. So let's just put the other bits on round, and then quickly, before it oxidizes, goes into the skin, I need to put it in, don't I? So I'm just going to put a little bit more around there, like so, and dot it everywhere. That's okay, so now we're just going to get my beauty blender and blend it in. So it blends really nicely, as you see. That is going in, no problem at all. and as I thought with the Dior product, it just is looking really, really nice. I like the way that it's gone in. I love that. It's really, really nice. It's blended in. It is blended in quite well, and I'm just going to put a bit more on my nose because I haven't done my nose, and that bit is annoying me. Right, so now sort out all of the little problems that is annoying me. And do you know what? One thing I forgot to bring up, which was my mirror. I forgot it. I just have my bathroom mirror that is like useless. So I'm just relying on my camera phone, and that is what I'm doing. So that's blending perfectly. I love it. I hope I don't like this because it is really expensive. It's an expensive foundation, but it's really blended in really nicely. I love the way it's blended in. There is actually no cakiness. It hasn't caked underneath the eyes at all. It is fantastic. I love the way it's blended. Right, sorry if I am going a bit muffled with my talking. It's just because I've got a bit of a cold, and it's just there. It's annoying. It's annoying when you get a cold, isn't it? Right, okay, so now I am going to finish off the rest of my makeup, and I will be back. Right, so okay, so my makeup is now done. I know that it's not done absolutely perfect, but it's enough for me. I sort of winged my eye out a little tiny bit. I didn't go overboard because I am shit at putting wings on. Really shit at it. Sorry for the swearing, but it's just what I am. And I'm just being myself. So I'm being as normal as I can be and super relaxed with my cup of coffee. So this is going to be my end look. Well, that looks a bit silly, that fringe. Right, so I'm just going to put my fringe into its normal order. Some sort of order. It's just not playing right today. Need to sort that out. Right. So this is my finish look for today. I will do check-ins throughout the day on this foundation because you need to know, because it's an expensive foundation. So that's it. Bye bye. Right, so this has been on 1 hour now. It's like, it was 9:30 when I put it on, and now it is 10:30. Sorry for the stabilization. I will put you on the pole next time. Right, I'm just moving that over there. Right, so now I'm just going to put you back on here. I should have done that in the first place. I don't know why I didn't do that, but there we go. I think it's because I wanted you to get a closer look at it, but this has no cakiness at all. And it is staying put. Well, it's only been on 1 hour, but it's really good. It feels really nice as well. Doesn't feel oily or greasy or anything. It's really nice, but that is also staying on. And I've washed my hands twice. It's still there. Right, so the next check-in will be sometime this afternoon, but there we go for now. Right, so now I've had this foundation on since 9:30 this morning, and now I'm just going to check to see what time it is. It is 10:30 at night. It has gone off my hand completely. As you see, it was on my hand this morning. It's no longer on my hand. It has worn down and it's gone. I'm just going to actually just try to bring it in a bit closer, and you will see that it has gone. But it did wear really well and it didn't cake at all. So I've had quite a good day of it. But today it has been really like sunny and hot and everything else like that. So it's done well, but it just didn't last. So it's not 24 hours. So yeah, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye.